are the homegrown freedom fighters in the country's history who offer their lives on the altar of service and sacrifice, so all generations thereafter could enjoy the inestimable gifts of freedom. And their names are etched not only in monuments and literature, but forever enshrined in the hearts and minds of eternally grateful Filipinos who the president led in remembering in today's solemn event. Our Kenneth Paciente has more.
In the celebration of National Heroes Day, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. honored the heroes who sacrificed their lives so that the country could attain independence. He also reminded that we should not forget the heroes whose names were not written in the pages of history, but became the spark of the struggle for freedom. The president stressed that Filipinos of the present generation who continue to serve despite life's challenges also deserve to be recognized as they show the true spirit of heroism.
Kinikilala rin natin ang mga Pilipinong tapat na naglilingkod, nagmamalasakit at nagmamahal sa ating bansa. Sila ang nagsisilbing paalala sa ating lahat na ang kabayanihan ay nananalaytay pa rin sa ugat ng bawat sa atin. Likas na sa Pilipino ang pagiging tapat, ang paglilingkod at pakikipagkapwa. Nakikita natin ito sa ating mga magsasaka, mga mangingisda, mga guro, healthcare worker, ating mga manggagawa. Ang kanilang araw-araw na paglilingkod sa kabila ng mga hamon ay patunay na buhay pa rin ang diwa ng kabayanihan.
The president's message also touched on the issue of corruption and abuse of power. This came in the wake of the controversy over failed flood control projects. According to the president, this should not be taken lightly, stressing that corruption and abuse of power are enemies of freedom.
Hindi lang pagpapalakas ng ating depensa ang kailangan natin tutukan upang maalagaan ang ating kalayaan. Kailangan din natin labanan ang banta ng katiwalian at pang-aabuso sa kapangyarihan ng ating lipunan. Dahil hindi lamang salapi ang kanilang ninanakaw, kundi pati ang kalusugan, pangarap at kinabukasan ng mga susunod na henerasyon na Pilipino. Kaya't hindi natin dapat ipagwalang bahala ang maliliit na panlilinlang sapagkat kung paulit-ulit, ito'y pinapalampas natin, unti-unti nitong sinisira ang ating lipunan nang hindi natin namamalayan.
The chief executive assured that all those involved in irregularities will be held accountable.
Pananagot din namin ang lahat ng sangkot sa anomalya at katiwalian. Ilalabas natin ang buo at pawang katotohanan at titiyakin natin hindi na mauulit ang kawalan ng respeto at malasakit sa taong bayan. Kaya't magtulong-tulong tayo upang labanan ng korupsyon, labanan ng pag-aabuso sa tungkulin, labanan ang pagyurak sa ating karapatan.
The president meanwhile urged the youth to keep their awareness alive, stressing that they must be guided to become more critical of society's challenges. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.